Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students, start. According to the SC, it is unnecessary to underscore that Parliament as well as the Legislative Assembly are regarded as sacred places, just as the judicature as temple of justice. Stop. As a matter of fact, the first place where justice is dispensed to the common man is Parliament oblique Legislative Assembly, albeit by a democratic process. Stop. It is a propounded for governing the entire range of activities concerning the masses until the last mile, are discussed and their destinies are shaped. Stop para. That, in itself, is the process of dispensing justice to the citizens of this country. Stop. These are places where robust and dispassionate debates and discussion inspired by the highest traditions of truth and righteousness out to take place for resolving the burning issues confronting the nation, oblique state, and for dispensing justice, political, social, and economic. Stop para. The happenings in the house are reflection of the contemporary social fabric. Stop. The behavioral pattern of the society is manifested or mirrored in the thought process and actions of the members of the house during the debates. Stop. It is in public domain within bracket through print, electronic and social media bracket close that the members of the parliament or assembly oblique council of the state, spend much of the time in a hostile atmosphere. Stop. The parliament oblique legislative assembly are becoming more and more intransigent place. Stop. The philosophical tenet, one must agree to disagree is becoming is a seldom seen or a rarity during the debateness. Stop para. It has become common to hear within bracket read bracket close that the house could not complete its usual scheduled business and most of the time had been spent in jeering and personal attacks against each other instead of erudite, constructive and educative debates consistent with the highest tradition of the august body. Stop. This is the popular sentiment gaining ground amongst the common man. Stop. This is disheartening for the observers. Stop para. Aggression during the debates has no place in the setting of country governed by the rule of law. Stop. Even a complex issue needs to be resolved in a congenial atmosphere showing full deference towards each other. Stop para. They ought to ensure optimum utilization of quality time of the house, which is very precious and is the need of the hour, especially when we the people of India, that is Bharat, take credit of being the oldest civilization on the planet within bracket demographically bracket close. Stop para. The Supreme Court has stated that as a result of the stated declaration, the petitioners are entitled for all consequential benefits of being members of the Legislative Assembly, on and after the expiry of the period of the remainder of the concerned session in July 2021. Stop. The Supreme Court has allowed the petition in terms of the directions stated in the judgment. Stop. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।